Welcome back to another biometrics integration episode. This is part 2 of the Python Django Biometric integration series of videos that I am doing with the HID DigitalPersona 4500 fingerprint scanner. In part 1, I was able to show you how I came up with the GUI design and the layout for this Python Django Biometric application. In part 2, I was able to add 3 items onto the Python Django Biometric application. The first one is the Favicon image that appears on the web browsers tab. The second is a header image. And the third one is the biometric GUI for fingerprint enrollment. Let us start. As you can see, this is the first section, that is the biometrics engineer particulars for capturing the input fields of the biometrics engineer. And the second part is the one for biometrics fingerprint enrollment. Let us start by me showing you the Favicon image. Follow the cursor right here. You see, I was able to add a Favicon image that displays on the tab of the web browser if you open the application in that particular tab. Otherwise, if I did not add a Favicon image, we will just be having just the default square in the tab. Just a default square, I don't know what to call it, whether an icon or an image in the tab, but I did not want my application to just look so flat like that. So that's why I added a Favicon image. Now, are you ready to see the header image that I was able to add into this Python Django biometric application? Are you ready? Here we go. This is the banner that I designed. I included the HID DigitalPersona 4500 fingerprint scanner on the left, and to the right, I added the Python mascot, and then in the middle, I added the text Python Django Biometric integration. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this header image. Did I ace it? Could I have done better? Let me know in the comment section. Now I want to take you to the third item that is in the biometrics fingerprint enrollment section. It is in this section where I provided a way for the user to be able to enroll their fingers. Let's go straight to it. So I came up with these 2 subsections. That is one for the left hand and the other for the right hand. So in my assumption, I was thinking a person could decide to enroll fingers from either hand or from both hands. Like in my usual practice, I have always preferred to enroll at least a finger from each hand. For example, I often do 2 finger enrollments per user. That is at least 1 finger from each hand. My preferred choice of finger for biometric fingerprint enrollment is usually the index fingers, because unlike the thumb, they are not prone to cuts and bruises that could interfere with the appearance of their fingerprints. So I often prefer to choose the left index for the left index and the right index. So in this setup that I came up with, you can be able to select whichever finger that you want to enroll. So you can see the cursor go through the fingers. So that means once it turns light, do I call it light green? Once it turns this light green, it means you can actually click on the finger to enroll it. I hope you can see what I am doing. So you can enroll as many fingers as you want, but for my case, I'm just going to show you how it would look like if I chose to enroll the left index finger and the right index finger. So in such a scenario, I will just click the left index. I hope you can see that message that has popped up. It says select the left index finger. So I just say okay. No, suppose I wanted to cancel. Yeah, I will have to revise this alert message, so that in a scenario where I do not need to enroll that finger, I don't have to be forced to enroll it. So but in this case, I'll just say okay. So you can see a crimson green highlight on the left index finger. I'm not able to enroll a finger right now because I have not added the logic for enrolling fingers yet. But then that is what I will be doing in part 3 of this series of Python Django Biometric application. Now, suppose I want to enroll the right index. I'll just click on the right index like this. And then I'm told in this alert message that is select the right index finger. Okay, you can see now we have 2 fingers selected. That means depending on how many fingers that you want to enroll, you will be selecting the finger that you want, and then the enrollment starts. You place your finger on the scanner and the fingerprint is enrolled. By the way, you could even decide to unselect the selected finger. For instance, suppose I have selected the left thumb and I don't need to enroll it. To cancel it, I just click on it again, and then this message pops up. It says deselect left thumb finger. So if I want to deselect, I say okay. If I don't want, I say cancel. So for that instance, I said cancel, but now I'm for sure I don't want to enroll the left thumb. So when asked whether I want to enroll the left thumb, I will say okay. So to cancel the left thumb, so that I don't have to enroll it, I just click on it again. And then when this message pops up, that is deselect left thumb finger, I say okay. Then it is unselected. So thank you for watching. Thank you for staying all the way to the end. Look out for part 3, where I will be practically enrolling the selected finger using the HID DigitalPersona 4500 fingerprint scanner. See you in part 3.